Economist magazine, Brazil. Do you think that the re-election...
The damage in the Asian markets has been wrought, and Taiwan got through it relatively unscathed. So I think that it shows the danger. You see that if you close off your market, then maybe you can do all sorts of things behind that curtain and beat up people. And I mean that is a real danger to open society. And I think what Mahathir is now doing is quite outrageous. But you see, having closed down the markets and having a strong political base, he may be able to get away with it. And and in the short run, you see, it allows him to pump up certainly allowed him to pump up the stock market. He can pump up the economy, issuing more money. He can bail out his own supporters. So the economy may, in the long run, suffer terrible damage, but in the short run, it may look very good. And unless the countries that are following, let's say, sound policies and remain open can show better improvement, it will become a very attractive model. That's what I'm afraid of.
Are any of the Asian countries doing the right thing?
Fashion by going back to something more akin to the pre-1971 Bretton Woods system, some sort of a return to a fixed exchange rate system which cuts